Guys, it's Tony here. Bitcoin is pumping, but what will it do next? That is the huge question I want to answer to you guys today, because it has been breaking resistance after resistance after resistance for the last 3-4 days, and it has not been stopped or backing down. People are becoming super bullish on Bitcoin again. Everybody's losing the fear, and the question on everybody's mind right now is, where will it go next? Will it get rejected? Will it stop pumping, or will it continue to rise up, breaking through all-time highs, going to like $200,000? That is what I want to talk to you guys about today. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin in the short term, the mid-term, and of course the long term, and where do I think Bitcoin is going to go and how it looks. I want to also talk about the market and how bullish it is. This is going to be a very interesting video, guys. Watch till the end. Leave a like down below, and this is crypto for you guys. So we have Bitcoin pumping up. As I'm recording this video, we are in fact at $44,000, pumping up pretty fast. We have already broken through the huge resistances I told you to break through in my previous video. We broke through the huge horizontal support at 39,300. We broke through the huge trend support, and we broke through the daily EMA ribbon, one of the most important EMA ribbons out there. I talked about this ribbon for a while now and how important it is for Bitcoin to break above, and that is exactly what we did. The daily EMA ribbon is such an important level that if we would have not broken above it, we would have crashed down even more. So it was very important that we broke above it, exactly what we are doing right now. And since we are broke it, we can resume the bull market pumps like we have been doing for the last time. Every single time we broke above it, we can resume and hopefully pump up. So that seems very bullish. Also, if we go on the weekly time frame and look at this, we have the RSI and stochastic RSI pumping above 45. I've been talking about the RSI and stochastic RSI also, and how low they were, and how that is very bullish, because when the RSI and stochastic RSI are low, that shows the market is oversold, and that is very bullish. But when we broke above this huge level called 45, it started pumping. Yes, Bitcoin started pumping up because the RSI broke above it. That's the same thing we did last time we broke above 45. Right over here when we dumped down to 30. As soon as the RSI broke above 45, Bitcoin started skyrocketing, and it skyrocketed to $69,000. And of course the stochastic backed it up. And so this looks pretty bullish, but the question everybody's asking is where we will go now. Even though the market is looking very bullish, we have one resistance line that we have to break, and it is not that easy. It is the weekly EMA ribbon, the only indicator that I call more important than the daily EMA ribbon for this huge reason. It shows us when we're in a bull market and a bear market. Whenever we're below it, we are in a bear market. Whenever we're above it, we are in a bull market. I can turn on log and show you guys that this clearly states, and you can clearly decide when Bitcoin was in a bull market and when it was in a bear market. Like when we dumped from 20,000, we broke below the EMA ribbon on the weekly time frame, and we were in a bear market. We had a little tiny bull market right over here. A Corona dump was a bear market. We broke above it, and we had a bull market ever since, all the way to now. And right now, we did break below this weekly EMA ribbon. If I zoom back in, and that looked very bad in my opinion. But what I said is that there are short-term bull markets and bear markets, and we could have been having a short-term bear market right now. And I talked about how if we come up and reach the top and reach inside of this weekly EMA ribbon, we can be saved. But we had to break above. And that is exactly what Bitcoin just did. It came up, and it is right now testing this huge resistance line. Now, what it is supposed to do is either get rejected or break above this huge resistance line, or it can stay inside of it for a little tiny bit, but it has to decide, does it get rejected and keep falling down, or break above? With the rate of the market right now and the RSI and stochastic RSI being very level and very ready to pump up, as you guys can see, they're very low. The market is so hyped up. The crypto fear and greed index is at 50, meaning that is very bullish right now. We could be in fact seeing a breakthrough this huge level. And if we do, we're going to be in the clear for us to go up. And this top of the EMA ribbon, the weekly EMA ribbon, is at 46,700. 47,900. It is very, very important for us to break above 47,900. And if we be able to break above 47,900, then we will be in the clear to pump up. The market is very, very hard to stop right now because everybody's pumped up, everybody's hyped up, everybody's pumping the markets. All the indicators are bullish right now and begging for us to go up. It's like a rocket ship flying up and launching into the sky, and then we have like the atmosphere and some clouds and maybe a tarp flying around that's trying to stop this rocket ship. And I mean, it is possible for the gravity to pull it back down if it doesn't have enough thrust, but with the rate of the rocket flying up at such an increased speed, it will enter space and it will continue to fly and reach the moon. And that is maybe exactly what Bitcoin will do. We have the RSI and stochastic RSI that are very low, begging to go up. On the daily time frame, we are breaking through all the resistance lines like the daily EMA ribbon and a bunch of horizontal and trend lines. Everything is looking bullish. We are pumping up, but what we have to do is break above the weekly EMA ribbon, the indicator that shows when we're in a bull market and bear market, confirm that we are in fact in a bull market, and pump up. That is what I cannot tell you what we will be doing. I can't tell you if we will be pumping above it or getting rejected, but probability is like 90% that we break above this EMA ribbon. So watch the EMA ribbon and wait, and I will be waiting also, and I'll give you guys an update as soon as I can. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you leave a like down below, subscribe if you haven't already, don't forget to click that post notification bell. I'll see you guys next video. Bye!